One of the very first steps that you need to do in order to use the platform is to define the data that is going to be used on your analysis and your models. To do that, you should select the very first option on the menu. This option is called Data. So if you click on it, you should see a screen that is similar to the one being presented to you. The very first option here is called Use Recommended, and this can be checked to make sure that one of the models, that one of the data sets that are available from the platform are used. So you don't have to upload that data set. When you have this checked, you can come here to this button, the Select Dataset button, and click it. After you click it, you're going to be presented with a number of data sets that are available. Let's say you want to open the Titanic data set. So move your mouse on it and click to select. After selecting the data set, you will be presented with a couple of information about this data set on your right-hand side. So for instance, here you can see the first attribute that is part of this data set. So the attributes are presented as columns in a tabular format. And this very first one has an ID of 0 and a name of passenger ID. That's because that's a unique identifier that is used for each passenger that is part of that data set. Another interesting information that you might find is the number of not null values and the type of the attribute or the data that is part of that attribute.